The first thing you notice isn't what was added, it's what's gone. Where there was once a tired backyard, there's now a clean slate. In a place like Atlantic Beach Country Club, backing up to the golf course, you want a picturesque landscape that frames it. This project started the way most do, stripping everything down to its foundation. Sod removed, old landscaping cleared out, 3 large sable palms went in first. From there, it was about building the intricate layout of hardscaping, landscape beds, and artificial turf. Wall block outlines shaped the future paver areas. Base layers were installed and compacted, every curve, every edge, deliberate. As the days moved forward, the layout began to reveal itself. Paver pads took form, clean, defined spaces designed for gathering, for quiet mornings, for evenings around the fire pit. Conduit was run, edging installed, fabric laid, the kind of behind-the-scenes work that makes everything else possible. And then the transformation accelerated. Artificial turf began to roll out, cut, shaped, and secured with precision. Not just laid in straight lines, but curved intentionally to soften the space and guide movement. Turf that doesn't just look good from a distance, but holds up to daily use season after season. Color started to come back into the space. New shrubbery, selected for contrast and vibrancy, layered into the design. Each plant placed with purpose, to complement the overall design, to highlight the architecture, and to bring life back into the yard without overcomplicating it. Then came the finishing details. Lighting installed to extend the space into the evening. White river rock placed to add texture and contrast. Drip irrigation set to keep everything efficient and sustainable. Poly sand locking in the pavers. Turf infill brushed in for a natural, consistent finish. Every element tightened, every edge cleaned up. By early spring, it was complete. Clean lines, intentional curves, structure, color, and function all working together along the golf course. And most importantly, a satisfied client. Because at the end of the day, that's the goal. Not just to change a landscape, but to create a place that fits your taste and the way you live.